Hey Fred, yeah, don't even think about looking at my hair. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead, and today I'm going to make all I can think to call them is potato rockets. You're going to need however many potatoes you want to make. And I'm only making 2. Because you know what? When these get done, they're going to be much, much bigger. So it'll be enough for Papa and I to have 1 each. Nice big sheet of heavy aluminum foil. If you want to line it with parchment, you go ahead. You want some bacon, an onion, some skewers, and some cheese. Personally, I think sharp cheddar would go really good in this, but I have marble open, so that's what we're going to use. So, first things first, let's get the onion part out of the way. Now, I'm going to save slicing my onion till I figure out how many slices of potato I'm going to be doing. So, I'm going to cut these about, I don't know, 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Now try and keep them. I don't have a mandolin, and nor do I care to have one. I had an accident with a mandolin once and I never want to talk about it again. So just make sure when you slice your potatoes you make them as even in thickness as you possibly can, and keep them in the order that you're slicing them. If you get a half slice, leave it out, like a thin half slice, leave it out. It's important that you have a thick enough slice that the skewer can go right through it without breaking it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, somewhere around their spaces. So I'm going to cut approximately 7 of these. 1, 2, and again, you don't want these too thick, and 7. Okay, now I'm going to, for the sake of stability, cut a little slice off the side of my onion so that I can slice it evenly. Now, onions are a little bit different. You want as much of a slice as you can make, but you have a little bit of wiggle room with it. Okay, okay. So we take our first piece of potato, put it through the skewer through it, and we will take a half a piece of cheese. You want it snug right down to hold that cheese in place. Then a ring of onion. It doesn't have to be a whole slice, but if you want a whole slice, then do so. And so on. Okay. Now you can weave this if you want, but I'm not going to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Well, 5 it's going to have to be. Get these squished together just a little bit more without breaking all the potatoes. Oh, that's much better. Let's do that. And then we will roll our rocket just like that, and then roll it back up. Okay. These are going into a 350-degree oven for about an hour. Okay, our timer has gone off. All right, now the idea is going to be, well, let's first have a look. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop these onto a cookie sheet. Now, I'm just going to pop these under the broil just to brown them up a little bit. Now, before Papa digs into his, I just want to test this. I had an idea in my head about how I wanted this to present, but I don't think it's going to work. Oh, how lovely is that? You know what's missing? Sour cream. Okay, pull the skewer out. The only thing we're missing, if I'd have been thinking, I'd have got you to pick up some sour cream. Now, not right down the center. Man, now you know why I did mine on camera.
Beauties.
Just needs sour cream. But you might want some pepper on there, dear.
Of course. Make a little butter too.
You know what? You know what it reminds me of? Chef Michael Smith's bacon cheese potato pie, but it's all on a skewer.
Ah, very nice.
With the onion too. All right, now give her a mouthful.
Awesome.
Excellent. Thanks, honey. Well, there you go. Somebody else may have invented this first, but I thought of it in my sleep last night, so I'm going with it. I'm calling these potato rockets. Bacon potato rockets. And you can put anything in between you want. Just remember, you're limited by the length of your potato and your skewer. And if you double wrap these, you can just shove these in the coal of a campfire, because guess what? That was a no pot wonder. Take care, God bless.